Alright, my brother's currently playing again. Let's see who we can catch him fucking saying and shit.
Just kidding. Sorry, Daddy. Just for you, Daddy. All the way! Oh my god! The fucking angles.
Sorry, Daddy! Sorry, Daddy! Sorry, Daddy!
I knew you were recording me, bro!
He said, sorry, Daddy!
Jeff was like, he's probably recording you.
How many girlfriends you have then?
0 but 20 bitches.
Oh! You do it with your teeth? Nah. How do you do it? Oh, you fucking crazy bitch. What the fuck? These guys are like almost fucking 30 years old on swings right now.
It's not the girls push.
Fuck, how do you feel about this shit?
It's fucking tiring.
Alright guys, so
I'm hungry.
you're hungry, yes, you're gonna eat, don't worry. I gotta get this clip. Dude, these, holy fuck, look at this shit, dude. Jose. Holy fuck, look at this shit stacking. Oh, you got the first bite?
No.
Jose, eat your food.
Eat your food.
Just one clip. No.
No.
Okay, guys, we're literally fucking like hiking in the fucking dark. Okay, we got a nice view, but we're legit like on a fucking look. Oh shit, I'm sorry. Look at this shit. Jose, point straight. No, straight. Look at this shit. We don't even know where the fuck we're at. Where the fuck we're at?
Oh, fucking back. You good?
Dude, I'm scared. Oh, this is fucking dope. We're so fucking crazy. Holy shit, Jose. Like, we got the city of downtown LA. We got a flashlight. Hopefully that shit doesn't die.
I know, huh?
We got Carla. We got Jose. Hiking a fucking dark ass trail. I'm in my fucking
Oh shit.
Air fucking Jordans, dude.
Pineapples are hard.
Fucking bitch, bro. We got pulled over again, bro. 5-0s on our tail. Man, you know what? Fuck these guys, man. Oh, hey, fuck the police.
Hey.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
I thought you were the police.
No, just out here.
Oh, okay. Can I go?
No.
Oh, bye. What? Where you going? What? Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
License of motherfucker.
Hey, yo.
License.
Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. You got me.
License. License of motherfucker.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Jose just wants to go throw away the fucking trash, and he's like, here's a fucking pine cone.
Pine cone, yes.
Yeah, it's a pine cone,
That's what
right?
it's called, right?
Is it called a pine cone?
Yes. It's a nice pine cone.
Well, thank you.
Very randomly.
You shut the fuck up. Do I look like a pine cone or what?
It's brown.
Sky! Oh hell nah. She got a sock. She's running. Yo, give me that sock. Oh, look at her. Hell nah, give me that sock. Like, give me that sock. Look at the sock she has. Give me that shit. What the fuck? She got my fucking sock.
It's going to the trash when there's one like right there. That's a recycling bin, and he's an idiot. $5 he won't realize that's a recycling bin.
He won't.
Oh no, he's going to the trash now. Oh, he realized. Dumbass. Look at him.
Chill out the way.
Practice.
I take it back. Yo, it's your boy Edgar's View. Subscribe, like, comment. That's right. That is so beautiful. Hey, why you change the music, Susie?
Alright guys, if you're watching Edgar's channel, make sure to subscribe, leave a like, comment, share, you know, follow his Twitch down in the link bio at ttv.twitch.
Yeah.
Edgar's Views.
A huevo.
Is it Edgar Views?
This one.
No, right? It's
Edgar
Edgar the
Views.
Sloth? Sloth the Edgar?
No, this was way for what, my gaming channel?
Yeah.
Nice TRNK Sloth.
Oh, TRNK
I'm
Sloth?
gonna get back on that.
Yeah,
You
trust.
heard the man, Chech? Yeah.
That's it for me. Go to my... Hey, get on my car. Hey. Go, introduce yourself.
It's your boy, Sensei, Menace, G. You know the fucking vibes.
Yeah.
Anyways, I want to introduce myself, y'all. This is Gio, you know. I'm a real estate developer. I do a lot of shit in life, you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
I'm a street hustler.
Support,
You know
respect.
the fucking vibes.
You know the vibes.
You know, I just caught myself this beautiful
What is it?
2020 Daytona.
2020
You know,
Daytona.
fucking vibes. They didn't have Hellcats in stock.
No Hellcats.
But, you know, it's pretty fun, to be honest with you. I love this car. I just got it.
Uh-huh.
I paid... Somebody's stealing my car.
Somebody's stealing your car, bro.
Hold on. Sir, what are you doing? Yo, get your broke ass out here, nigga. What the fuck?
Yo, he's just stealing your car. He's just stealing your car.
What the fuck?